Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's work plan, we will be carrying out an overhaul of one main engine spare piston. The job will include cleaning and inspection, followed by reassembly and finally a pressure test. First of all, we need to turn the piston upside down. Since we will be handling heavy parts using a crane, we must pay full attention to fastener safety at all times. After turning the piston upside down, we will remove the login wires from the special nuts fitted on the piston rod. Because the piston hasn't been overhauled regularly, piston rod and piston cut are very tight. So, we have to make and use a special tools to separate the piston rod from the scat. Next, we will remove the bolts and tension washers that are holding the scat in place. Then by tightening the strap bolts, we can separate the piston scat from the piston head. After that, we will remove the hexagonal head bolts of the inner piece and take the inner piece out from the piston head. As you can see, since the piston wasn't overhauled regularly, there's a large amount of coke and deposits inside the cooling chamber. When deposits build up like this, the cooling efficiency of the piston head decreases, which can lead to piston overheating and other serious problems. So, we will thoroughly clean all the deposits inside the piston head cooling chamber. Now, we will start the reassembly process. First, we will properly seat the inner piece inside the crown and tighten the hexagonal head bolts using the maker's recommended torque. Next, we will renew the O-ring on the piston scat. After applying a thin layer of lubricant, we will install the scat onto the piston head. Then, we will fit the tank plates. All bolts will be tightened again using the maker's recommended torque. And the tank plates will be locked properly. We will also replace the D-rings on the piston rod with new ones. After lightly lubricating the D-rings, we will reassemble the piston head assembly. The O-rings on the special nuts should be renewed. In addition, we apply red silicone, which helps completely prevent any possible leakage. The nuts are then fitted and tightened according to the maker's recommended torque. After that, login wires are installed in the tightening direction. Once lubricating wire fill into the piston rod and crown, we will carry out the pressure test using control air pressure. We will monitor the pressure for about 30 minutes to check whether there is any pressure drop. If the pressure drops, it indicates leakage. So we will need to inspect again and rectify the source of the leakage. After completing the piston overhaul and pressure test, spare piston must be securely fixed on the stem. Thank you very much for watching the video till the end. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe so you can learn more from upcoming contents.